Hello everyone, this is Shivang. Today we will back after the successful completion of our video, that is Q of a number. In that video we calculated the Q of a number within seconds. Now in the competitive exams they mostly ask the question based on the multiply. So the problem is to calculate the multiplication of numbers in less time. We sort out this problem by this video. Let's take trick number 1. Trick 1. Numbers below than 100. If both numbers are below than 100, then how to we multiply that numbers? First of all, if we have number 95 and multiply by 96, these the number are lesser than the 100. So now how much in the first step we will go for how much it is lesser than 100. It is lesser than 100 by 4 and it is lesser than 100 by 5. Now subtract the lesser value diagonally from both sides. We will get that unique value 95 minus 4, that is 91. If we subtract 96 minus 5, we also get the 91. Now the lesser value multiply by itself. Minus 5 multiply by minus 2 is how much? 20. So we will get the multiplication of 95 multiply by 96 is 9120. We calculated the multiplication of 95 and 96 within 5 seconds. Now move to the next. If the numbers are (95) multiplied by 94, how much it is lesser than 100? It's lesser than 100 by 5 and it's lesser than 100 by 6. Now diagonally subtract the value from 94 minus 5, that is 89. 95 minus 6 is 89. Now multiply the lesser value from the 100. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 6, that is 30. So now we get the multiply of 95 multiplied by 94, that is 8930. Next, if we calculate the 95 multiplied by 93, that is how much it is lesser than 100? Minus 5. How much it is lesser than 100? Minus 7. Then diagonally subtract the value. 93 minus 5, that is 88. 95 minus 7 is 88. Now multiply both the digits. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 7, that is 4 plus 35, that is 35. So we get the multiply of 95 multiplied by 93 is 88835. Next is, if we calculate the multiplication of 91 multiplied by 98, then how much it is lesser than 100? It is lesser than 100 by 9 and it is lesser than 100 by 2. Now subtract the value diagonally from each number. 91 minus 2 is, that is 89. 91 minus 9 is 89 also. Now multiply the digits. Minus 9 multiplied by minus 2, that is 18, positive 18. So now we get the multiplication of 91 multiplied by 98 is, that is 8918. Now next, if we want to calculate the multiplication of 89 multiplied by 92, that is how much it is lesser than 100. It is lesser than 100 by 11 and it is lesser than 100 by 8. Now subtract the value. 89 multiplied by 89 subtracts 8, that is 8 subtracts 89, that is 81, or 92 minus 11, that is 81. Now multiply the digits. 11 8 ja 88. So now we get the multiplication of 89 into 92, that is 8188. Next, trick number 2. Trick number 2. Trick 2. When given number is greater than 100. If both the number given to us that is greater than by 100, let's take an example. 102 multiplied by 104. How we calculate the multiplication of 102 into 104 within seconds? Now here's golden number is here also 100. How it is like more than 100, that is plus 2. How it is more than 100, that is plus 4. Now again subtract diagonally. Sorry, subtract, no subtract. Now in this case we add the number 102 plus 4, that is 106. 104 plus 2 is 106. 106, that is, and here's also multiply by these values. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 0. So we get the calculation of 102 multiplied by 104 is 10608. Next is 103 multiplied by 106. How much it is greater than 100 by 3 and it is greater than 106. Now add the diagonal value into the number. 106 plus 3 109. 103 plus 6 is 109. Note down the 109. Next, multiply the digits. 3 multiplied by 6 is how much? 18. So now we get the multiplication of 103 multiplied by 106 is 10918. Let's we find easily and within 5 seconds, 2 seconds. If you practice as much as possible, then you can solve the multiplication within 2 seconds, 1 second easily. Now take another example. 105 multiplied by 109. How much it is greater than 100? That is 5. How much it is greater than 100? That is 9. Now add the value. 109 plus 5, 114. Here we get also 114 by adding the 105 and 9. Now multiply the digits. 5 multiplied by 9 is how much? 45. So now we get the calculation of multiplication of 105 multiplied by 109 is 11445. Let's take another example. Here's 104 multiplied by 107. How much it is greater than 100? By 4. By 4. And how much it is greater than by 100? That is 7. Add these value diagonally. 107 plus 4, that is 111, and 111. 104 plus 7, that is 111. Multiply these both digits. 4 multiplied by 7, that is 28. So now we get the multiplication of 104 multiplied by 107 is how much? 11128. Now move to the next category. Next trick of the day. How to calculate trick 3. When given number is less than 100 and another given number is greater than 100. Let's take one example. 101 multiplied by 97. How much it is greater than 100? By 1. It is greater than by 1. Now how much it is lesser than by 100? That is minus 3. Now in the second step, we diagonally add these value, subtract the value. Here in this case we add the value, here we subtract the value because it has negative sign. 97 plus 1 is how much? 98. 101 minus 3 is how much? That is 98. Now multiply by these digits into each other. Note down the 000 and we get the minus 3 is the multiplication of these numbers. Now subtract the minus 3 is 9797. So now we get the calculation of 101 into 97, that is 9797. The multiplication of what? 101 multiplied by 97. Next, take another example. Next one is 98 multiplied by 103. How much it is lesser than 100? By 2. How much it is greater than by 100? 3. Now in the second step, diagonally add and subtract the value. Subtract the value 10 minus 2 from the 103 plus 3 into the 98. 101. Next is multiply the digits, that is minus 6. We get the multiplication of minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3 is minus 6. Now add 2 zeros into 101 after 101 and subtract the 06 from this value. 10094 is the 10094 is the multiplication of what? 98 multiplied by 93. Clear? I hope you understand all these tricks, how to calculate if both numbers are lesser than 100, both numbers are greater than 100, and one number is less than 100 and another number is greater than 100. Next, Let's take another example of this one. 102 multiplied by 93. How much it is greater than 100? That is by 2. How much it is greater than, it is lesser than 100 by 7. Now diagonally subtract and add the value. 93 plus 2, that is 95. Add 2 zeros because the multiplication of plus 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. Minus 14 is 6, 8, 9, 4. 9486 is the multiplication of 9486 of what? 102 multiplied by 93 is 9486. Next is, let's take last example of this one. One 102 multiplied by 95. Here it is greater than 100 by 2 and here it is lesser than 100 by 5. Now subtract the value and add the value into the diagonal number. 95 plus 2, that is 97. Note down the 2 0 because we get the multiplication of plus 2 and minus 5 is minus 10. Now subtract the value. Minus 10 is 9069. 9690 is the multiplication of 102 multiplied by 95. Next, if we have larger number, then how we calculate the multiplication of that number? If the examiner asks the long multiplication of 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 1, 2, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now separate the digits into like this. First of all, 2 multiplied by 1. Here's 1. Categorize. Here's it requires more space. That's why the written is smaller. 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Here's 2, 1, 3, 2. Cross multiply by the number. Here's 2 multiplied by 2 is how much? 4. 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 7. Next is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. Now cross the digits, multiply the ending value and like this. Now add these value. 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 plus 3 2 is 6 is equal to 14. Next is 2 3 4 5 1 2 2 3. Now multiply the cross by here's like this, here's like this. 2 multiplied by 3 is how much? 6. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8, 6 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus is equal to 25. Next is here's left the left side value. Next take 3 4 5 2, 2, 3. Now cross multiply of numbers ending and between the directly. 3 3 is 9 plus 2 5 is 10 plus 4 2 is 8. 9 plus 8 is 9 plus 10 is 19 plus 8 is 27. Next is left side value 4 5 2 3 is how much? Cross multiply. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. That is 22. Now in the last 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15. Now note down the 5. Next 1 is carry into this. Here's 21, 22 plus 1 is 23. Here's 23, 3 note down in the tens place, and 2 as I carry into the next number. 27 plus 2 is 29, 9. 29 9. Next is 29 is 9, carry 2 added to the next number. 25 plus 7, 2 is 27. 27 2 is carry into the next number. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 6, carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and note down the 2. So we get the calculation of 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5 multiply by 1 2 2 3 is how much? 2 8 6 7 9 3 5. 2 8 6 7 9 3 5. Next, take another example of this category. If we want to calculate the larger number multiplication, then how we multiply the number quickly. Next is 1 2 3 4 multiply by how much? 2 3 4 6. Next 1 2, here's 1 2 2 3, cross multiply. Here's 1 2 3 2 3 4, cross multiply the ending digits by diagonally. Here's like this in between. Next is 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 6, cross multiply the diagonally digits ending on. Next is 4 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3, like this. Next is move left side value, because we completed 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 2, and this portion also. Next, now leave this portion. 2 3 4 3 4 6, this one. Next is 3 4 4 6, cross multiply. Next is 4 multiplied by 6, that is how much? 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. 18 plus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 plus 18, that is 34. Next is 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 12 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 14. 14 24. 24 multiplied by 3 into 4, 36. Next 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 6 plus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8, 8, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 9 is 31. Next is 4 1 ja 4, 3 2 ja 4, 6 and 6 is equal to 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 16 is equal to 16. 3 plus 4 is 7, here's 2. Now note down the unit digits. 4, 2 added as a carry plus 2. 34 plus 2 is 36. 36, 3, here's 3 carry. 36 plus 3 is 39, here's 3 carry. 3 carry. 31 plus 3 is 34. 34, 4, here's 3 carry. 16 plus 3 is 19, 9 carry. 1 as a carry added into the next number. 7 plus 8 is 1 and 2. So we get the calculation of multiplication of 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 6 is equal to 2, 8, 9, 4, 9, 6, 4. Clear? I hope you understand all these tricks. It takes lesser time when you practice as much as possible. If you want to practice, you can create the question by yourself. I would upload more content for you. I hope you like this video, you love this content, and that's for this lesson. See you in the next one. Till then, you like the video, so share it to your batchmates, colleagues, friends. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get updated with my video, and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.